Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, Prince Hamdan fans, where we bring you the latest romantic and emotional poem. I tried to replace you, but I ended up finding you everywhere. I tried to replace you, not because I stopped loving you, but because loving you without having you felt like carrying the ocean in my chest. People said time heals everything. They told me to move on, to meet new faces, to forget your name. They said the heart is strong, that memories fade. So I tried, but no one warned me that trying to replace you would only make me realize how impossible it is to erase a soul that has become part of my own. I met new people, smile brighter than the morning sun, voice soft like calm rain, eyes filled with promises of tomorrow. They were kind, they were beautiful, they tried to understand me, but every conversation somehow found its way back to you. Someone laughed the way you used to laugh, and suddenly the rooms felt smaller. Someone said a words you used to say, and my heart escaped like a broken record. I tried to ignore it. I told myself this time will be different. But love isn't something you can simply delete, like a message from your phone. One evening, I walked along the quiet street where we used to spend hours talking. The winds carried the scent of night flowers, and for a moment I almost turned around because it felt like you were walking beside me again. I tried to replace you with distractions, with laughter, with new memories, but every road I walked somehow led back to the place where you once stood. I remember the little things the most. The way you used to look at me like I was the only story worth reading. The way silence between us never felt empty. The way your name felt like home. Every time it touched my lips, I tried to replace that feeling. I tried to convince my heart that someone else could fill the space you left behind. But the truth is, some spaces are not meant to be filled, they are meant to remind us of the love that once lived there. People asked me, when can't you move on? I smiled and said, I am trying. But deep inside, I knew something they didn't. You were never just a chapter in my life. You were the ink that wrote the entire story. I remember sitting across for someone new, trying to focus on their words. They talked about dreams, about plans, about love, but my heart kept whispering your name like a quiet prayer. It wasn't fair to them because no matter how kind they were, no matter how hard they tried, they were competing with a memory that still lived and breathed inside me. So one night, I stopped running. I stopped pretending. I sat alone under the quiet sky and finally told myself the truth. I didn't fail at replacing you. I failed because you were never replaceable. You were never made to be just another person in my past. You were the kind of love that changes a person forever. And maybe that's okay. Maybe love isn't about forgetting. Maybe isn't about learning to live with the echo of someone's voice still dancing in your heart. Maybe it's about accepting that some people leave footprints so deep in your soul that time itself cannot wash them away. I tried to replace you, but I ended up finding you in songs, in sunset, in quiet nights, when the world falls asleep and memories wake up. I found you in the way I still smile at the thought of us, and strangely, I don't feel angry anymore because loving you taught me something real. It taught me that real love doesn't disappear. Even when two people walk different paths, even when distance grows between them, even when the world changes, true love simply transforms. So, yes, I try to replace you, but instead, I discovered something deeper. I discovered that you were never just someone I loved. You were the moment my heart learned what love truly means. And maybe one day I will meet someone new, someone whose smile doesn't remind me of you, someone whose presence create a new kind of peace. But until that day comes, I will carry the memory of you, not as a wound, but as proof that once in my life I loved someone so deeply that even trying to replace them only made me realize how irreplaceable they truly were.